Hello, this is Baljinder from Artech Homes. This is our next video in the building process. So here we will show you guys how the slab is done, what is the process behind the slab, and you will be hearing it from the experts itself. So today we will introduce you to Fernando from Nara Concrete. Nara Concrete being in this business more than 50 years. So we will take you to the actual live slab today and show you how this whole process gets done to give you a better understanding of your houses. Fernando from Nara Concrete will take it away from here. So we will hand over him this project today, so he will pour the slab and then we will take the handover back from him tomorrow morning.
Good morning, my name's Fernando Diorio and I'm the Director of Nara Concrete Constructions. Nara Concrete was established in 1968 by my father. I met Baljinder from Artech Homes approximately 6 years ago. He gave me a call and he introduced himself and he said to me, I was wondering if you'd be interested in doing my work, and I said, well, that's what I'm here for. We're always interested in doing work. That's how we make a living. And he said to me, I'm going to send you some plans. He said, I want you to have a look at them and let me know. And I said, okay. I said, first thing I said to him, I said, who's your engineer? And he said, Nimar from Metro. I said, I know Nimar very well. I've dealt with Nimar for years. I said, if you're using Nimar, I said, there won't be a problem. We have a good working relationship and that'll make things happen smoothly. So today we're here at Glenfield and we're pouring this waffle pod slab designed by Metro Engineering. And as you can see in the background, we've got the boys working and we've got the pump working. The surveyor's also been here and double checked the formwork, so we eliminate any possibility of any mistakes, to the best that we can. On this particular job we have some dropped edge beams which is in the garage and follows through around to the front. So when we're pouring, we always try and pour them first because there's a lot of pressure in the formwork. So we pour them first a bit at a time and then we start it at the back. So now we work our way forward and we'll come back to those dropped edge beams and re-top them up. So this will be an all-day process. The concrete will go off in about 3 or 4 hours time, and then we will start stripping the job and we put a finish on the slab. The top of the slab will be steel trowel finish with a troweling machine, and the patios there'll be a broom finish with an edger, so that suits for finishing off later with tiling. Then we hand the job back over to Baljinder from Artech Homes and he will carry on with the rest of the process. Also, another thing that I forgot to mention, this job will also be cured, the concrete will be cured, and we need that process to slow the drying process down because we've got to eliminate any cracks if we can, and that's one way of doing it, by slowing the curing progress down, and that's what the curing does. I'm really happy to deal with Artech Homes, and in the 6 years that we've dealt with Artech Homes, Baljinder's an absolute gentleman, and his wife Mona, she is an absolute lady, and they're a pleasure to work with. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks for everything.
Thank you.